go up.
You're gonna hit it or focus.
Big one, huh?
Hop off. I'm going here.
Careful. Oh shit, it's taking off.
Walk out. There you go.
There you go. Don't. Yeah. Hang on.
Holy fucking moly.
Just keep him down for a minute.
Yeah, it's a barn door.
Let's get this little one on. Door, the smaller one on.
Yeah. Cliff's got the little one.
Yeah. This one fucking I hit him good. I don't know what the hell's the matter with him. Oh God, guys. Just hold him
Okay.
there. I'm trying to.
If he's probably hooked real well. Oh man.
Let me see.
Oh my God! Look at the mouth on that sucker.
He looks pretty.
Oh, we're talking 2+.
Come on, let's go. It's only about a 60 pounder.
Cliff says only.
Can't be that far.
Fuck, you going back? Did he go back down?
Yeah.
I got mine right here.
Well, I'm ready for it.
Okay, here we go.
Here.
Oh, fuck.
Oh shit, you're gonna have a mess of a problem.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Well, I think you ought to experience something.
No, not this one. I want to get this one here.
Huh? Did you hear it?
Come on.
Well, no, come on. Why don't you learn? Look at the fucking size of that one. Oh, fuck. Look at this, Steve.
Yeah.
No, not everybody. I'm going to bring him up.
I know, I've got him by one hook.
Only one
That's
hook?
all right.
Can I see?
I'm going to come off on your drag's already off. Okay, grab hold of the line, bring him in, and whack him really hard about 15 times. Get his head, pull his head up. Whack him hard. Hard. One more. Okay, that's enough. I don't want that leader pulling out. Get a shark hook in him. Hang on to this rod, Steve.
Got it.
God damn it, somebody's standing on the motherfucker.
No one's standing on it.
It was Jim.
All the way
You were
in.
standing on
Don't
it.
go lipping. Get it in. Down in your throat.
Oh, let's see how you're doing over here. Okay, he's coming up.
Go hard. Okay, now get another one. Here.
This is your biggest one. You got him hooked inside with one. Yeah, you're over 100. I think it's more than 60. Here, just take a break right there. Just take a break.
Let me have that ball.
Cool, Jimbo.
Mother.
100-pound class.
Be Cliff.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Cliff,
Okay, get him
how's
down
it
a
feel?
little bit lower.
Feels good.
Like that. Gracious, you'll tear his
Mark.
hooks out.
You stay right there. One fish at a time.
We'll tie him off first.
No, you don't tie him off first. You're going to hold it. You're not even going to tie him off. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Where's the foot? Don't tie him off and don't hold him tight. Get both sides.
Oh, fuck, the knife just broke.
Oh, fuck. Okay. 175 bucks.
Okay,
Oh,
coming
wait,
over
right
here.
here.
Coming over.
Grab the ball. Oh, come on, don't come away. Jesus Christ, I don't want to go to the bottom.
There you go.
Nice hook.
Undo your needle. Actually, give me the needle nose.
Can I see this fish over here? Oh my gosh.
Bleeding pretty good.
Good job, guys.
Good job, Cliff. Here.